Holiday Inn Express, Calypso Cay.
Is this Disney hotel a disaster?
Yeah, I came in and the guy offered me money cash. He wanted me to rent his room. He's going to give me the cash to do it. I said, no. There's a lot of people in the parking lot. It's a messed up parking lot. It's just tired.
I hide my face because I don't want the hotels to know who I am. I don't want any favors. I want to get the same room you're going to get. I work for you. Okay, here I am coming into the parking lot. And it was messed up. A lot of potholes, and the guy was in the parking lot asked me, yeah. Well, you come inside, and it's really going to hear me say this. It's a basic hotel, probably $100. The elevator, it was a little cranky. Little speed up. It was hot inside there. The hallways were fine. Going into the room, initial impression, it was fine. It's a basic hotel. Things are not scuffed up. It's not brand new. It's been here for a little while, but no major complaints on just the small refrigerator, small microwave. The TV was average. It wasn't upscale digital. Plenty of outlets. The Wi-Fi was a little slow. The bathroom was fine. And the bathroom inside was a little bit hot too. Maybe 5 to 10 degrees hotter. Kind of like the elevator. I don't know what was going on. The shower was fine. Everything worked. The gym was okay. It was a large room and had dumbbells and had a number of treadmills. You see what they got. Only one bike, a couple recumbents, no machines. The pool, it had a couple of small pools, pretty active, people out there. The fencing everywhere just needed a little bit of a paint. It was worn down, like this tower right here. It needed a paint job. The slide needed a paint job. The outdoor bar area was okay. It has this little snack interior area. You can get ice cream. It seems like it has amenities, but all these amenities, they need to be upgraded. The putt, that's all it was. It's just that carpet. It's not taken care of real well. The breakfast was kind of a smaller area. It was average. Those eggs were okay, but the rest was kind of not great. Plastic and styrofoam silverware. It was kind of a smaller area. The washer and dryer, it only had one set. And
hey, this is
that's it.
one of the 4 hotels that I'm not going to come back to.
So with the amenity fee of like $25 and it not really being worth it, in my opinion, this is not a great Disney experience hotel. So for $3,000 to $5,000 on your trip, sorry Holiday Inn Express Calypso Cay, I'm just not coming back.
Don't book the wrong hotel. Stop guessing. DDadBudget.com.